Hi guys, this is the Yale 124/70 series. Beautiful lock, very well made. I do love Yale. This is the key, it's a 5-pin key. So we've got pin 1, which is the highest there, and pin 3, slightly lower than pin 1. I've got pin 2 and 4 and 5, which are quite low, so I've got to be careful where I'm not oversetting. Pin 2 to get at number 3, and 4 and 5 there. Let's give it a go to show that the lock does work. If I can get the key in, I'll be able to pick lock, but I can't get the key in. There we go. Beautifully made. Just keep retaining. Okay, let's give it a go. So because of the key there, the pin's low on 2, 4 and 5, I'm going to start off at the bottom of the keyway, and then I may have to go in a bit higher to get at 3, then 1. So give it a go. So I'm going to start off at the bottom of the keyway there, see if I can set any pins. Movement on 6. Click on 5. Click on 4. I don't think I can set any more here, so I'm going to go into a bit closer to the pins in this part of the keyway and check pin 5 is set. There we go, just slightly touched pin 4. That's gave me a full set there. So I'm going to check 5 that hasn't popped out. Yep, 5 popped out, so I've got more deeper of the full set there. Check 5, check 4, check 3. Movement on 3, as you can see. Maybe you can see the counter rotation there. So make sure I'm on in properly. There we go, still got a full set. Check 5, 4, 3. Movement on 2 there. I'll drop some up. That's my full set. There we go, got it back, just slightly wiggle on the 5th pin, I believe. And got counter rotation on pin 4, so I have to reset that. There we go. Pin 3 movement there. There we go. 5, 4, 3. Movement on 2. There we go. Just checking on rest. Okay, it's pin 1 now. Very high on this pin there. So because I'm on pin 1, which is there, I'm just got to be careful, so I've got to push that all the way up there, higher than all the rest. Try not to lose the rest of the pins there. The easiest way to do it is just make sure I'm actually on the pin properly before committing myself to this. There we go. Cheers guys.